baby. Hi. Hi guys, I'm Kaeleigh. This is probably my first vlog. I don't know yet. But I have something to show you that I wanted to be in my vlog. But they're actually leaving today because, well, they might be leaving today because they're foster kittens, but I want to show you how cute they are. Ah, there they are. Hi guys, say hi to the vlog. Hi babies. Oh, they're so cute. I want to keep them both. They're brother and sister. This one's a boy and this one's a girl. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys that. I wanted to show you guys the kittens before they leave because I want them to be in my vlog so I have something to remember them by. Oh, babies. What is that? What is it? Okay, he doesn't. Oh, he likes the string. If I can. Come here. You guys want to play for the vlog? Or are you just like gonna be boring right now? Why does my hair look like shit? Yeah, you can. Oh, get it. So yeah, I have to say bye to them today. I really don't want to because they've been so cute. I want to take them to college with me because I get lonely. But what you gonna do? My mom won't let me because she says I don't have enough money to pay for them. But they're so cute. He's still trying to get the string. Say hi. Hi, baby. Because I want to. Come here. Hi. Hi, baby. Why are you running away from me? Don't run away. Come back. Nobody loves me anymore. Hi. Hi, pretty boy. This is my baby. This is my baby. Ain't it? Why can't you use your own bathroom?
Well, this was just out here. What are you doing, woman?
Oh, nothing. But you look cute. Hey, Mom, can we keep the kittens?
What?
Can we keep the kittens?
No.
Why not?
You pay for them.
I'll pay for them.
You have no money.
I'll find it. Drug money. This is what I deal with. It's not fair. Just because I'm poor college student doesn't mean I need to be freaking punished for that. Do they really have to go?
Yes, they really do.
Look at them babies.
Sometimes if you love something, you have to let it go.
But I don't want to. See, he doesn't want to go either. Oh, yeah. Who is that?
Say bye, gentlemen. Now to the next one. Yeah.
On the way to drop off the kittens. Don't want him to go. They're in there. Oh, he doesn't want to go either. But it's a big family ordeal in the mom van.
Hurry up and get the car on.
It's
This is the hottest day of the year right here.
oh, lovely.
115 degrees.
No way. We're here. Oh. I love you, baby. This is not gonna be fun. Shit. We're here at oh shit, my boob just came out. Hi babies. Going to Petland. See which one the woman wants, or both. Yeah.
A nest out of pet magazines.
Marking. I know, he's beautiful too. Why he's scared?
There and get her out. Yeah, they're scared.
She's scared. She's beautiful. It's literally the size of your hand.
Can I adopt you?
Oh. What? Said bye to the kittens. I cried, obviously. Grandpa, what you doing? Grandpa's styling. Your new car? Say hi to the camera, Grandpa.
Hi, camera.
Hey, I'll give you a
What are you doing?
Setting.
Setting? Alright, JJ. Now we're gonna go get cat food for our other cat. We're crazy cat ladies. Okay.
Tits!
Oh my
I can't
God.
put like, hi guys. Okay, let's see if I could actually be able to talk in a camera because I feel so weird freaking talking in the camera. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my I can't. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This just sounds dumb. Today we are going to see the cat food. That does not make any sense. I cannot do this. Hi guys, today we are going to get some cat food with Nicholas K. Jean. and it will be an adventure. And we are very sad because we just got rid of our babies that we love so very much. But they have good homes, so that's good. Well, what we know of. They better not be putting on a front, you know what I mean? But can you change the angle of this thing?
No, Jenna, don't break it. It's this that it controls the angle.
How do you do it?
No, move your hand. Move your hand like up and down.
This?
No, don't break my camera.
What?
Just move it like this.
Oh, that is no fun. Come on, you gotta get like a high quality camera where you can
you
be like,
wanna pay
woo!
for it?
Oh shit, I really messed up.
Jenna,
I don't know what I'm doing.
Come on.
Oh, our babies.
Oh my God, they're still there. Got it. Oh my God, stop. Get it.
What?
It's all the way up there.
This?
No, to the right. Over. It's all the way in the back.
Don't get my head in it.
Not 30% more loads. We got big loads to fill.
No, to drop.
Me after I said goodbye to the kids. That's Jenna.
No.
No, that's Jenna.
Well, actually, it has like a spot right there.
Hi, buddy. This one's Jenna.
That is you.
Wait, what was that?
This is Kaeleigh when she eats ass.
No. Hi, Kurt. Can I get a medium sugar-free vanilla coffee with cream? Yes, please.
Yep, have a good one.
We are
talk over me.
We are the most
annoying as fuck.
complicated orders ever. Well, I thought you wanted almond milk. When do you ever get regular milk?
It's okay because it's myself. I don't need to judge myself.
We got our Starbucks.
We're basic white bitches. Everybody can suck it. There's these.
Sugar-free is not the
they're
move.
probably-
Hi, Oswald. What are you doing? You say hi. Oh. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end my vlog here. I'm still super sad about the kittens. I cried. The hardest part is, I think, because like they're gonna be separated and they're never gonna see each other again, which like literally breaks my heart, but it's okay because they went to really good homes. I met both the people. I didn't really vlog it that much because I didn't want to make them uncomfortable and stuff, but I'm really sad that they had to go, but I'm glad that they get to not stay in a room like they were, and like be able to explore and stuff like that. So, but other than that, thank you guys for watching, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
DA got that dope.
Ice water, turn Atlantic. Night call.